Hello everyone, my dear friends, this is Vakefislav and that is my first English video. Today I wanna first of all say you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and today is a special day. We are doing review on very hyped product. It's called Lux Algo AI, which is making lightning fast strategies with good back tests. They're premiering it like it's can give you work strategies in a seconds, and it will be super top-notch strategy. In today's video we will check, is it really so easy to get proper top-notch strategies as they present in their ads? Let's check it out. What we have, the panel, like a simple chat GPT with three models: GPT-5, GPT-4.1, Qwen 3. Let's try to make a strategy. Okay, give me please a strategy on a Bitcoin for 1 hour time frame with 100 plus rates and win rate above 40%. You can use only 3 time frames. It's 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. This is like a big library of strategies, and it can find you any strategy from what they already have. It's not making a new strategies from scratch. So let's take a look what we have. Bitcoin 60 minutes, profit factor almost 2, max drawdown 10%, average trade doesn't matter, average winning trade 3.2, average losing trade 1.5. It's a good strategy if we can believe this information, because most of the strategies I tested here don't have 1 to 2 average winning to average losing trade. Let's dive into TradingView and check out our strategy. What we have to enable? First of all, backtest price action, signals overlays, oscillator metrics. Backtest price action, oscillator metrics, signals and overlays. Okay, we added all indicators. Now we have to enable relevant features, but first we enable connectors. Connector signals and overlays, okay, and connector oscillator matrix. Use it connector. Okay. Now let's check out the features we have to enable. We have to enable smart trail and money flow above 50. Okay, money flow above 50. It's inside oscillator matrix. Money flow is greater than 50. Smart trail. Yes, we have smart trail. So we have to add this strategy. Okay. Let's check it. We have max equity drawdown 63%. This is a common problem for these indicators. 10% drawdown, 60%. So what it means? It means it's completely unusable. You don't have to have maximum drawdown 63%. Even because of 50% profitable trades and profit factor to 63% on Bitcoin. It's unmanageable. Let's check where the problem is hiding. By the way, it's regular situation for most algorithmic strategies when this job environment is killing everything. And this is the biggest question, like for me in my coding, how to separate the environments, how not to trade in choppy ranges. And I think they have solutions to avoid this. Like they have like trends and squeeze metrics. This is basically a trending strategy, which is based on trend tracer instrument and oscillator. Let's check, can we customize it to the real world environment which is needed to be a profitable trader? Risk management or like trading sessions or some concepts which you probably like to implement. So can you please make a fixed stop losses? It can't give you a stop losses as inside strategy automatic. You have to make it manually. That's not a big deal, but it can make this work really easy, like they're saying in their advertisement. One more thing that can't be realized through AI. Can you please make a strategy work only at New York Stock Exchange? That's again, it's saying how to make it manually, but it's not making it automatic. As I said before, it's just a library with bunch of strategies, and you can choose what you like and improve it by yourself. Now I want to show you how did I improve the strategy we have before. Before we have, I remind you, 47 win rate, 14 drawdown, 2 profit factor on 125 trade, 1 to 2.3 losing trade to winning trade. That's pretty good statistics. I make strategy trend dependent. It cuts a lot of unnecessary trades. Now we have profit factor 3.4, profitable trades 55%, total trades only 82, max drawdown 10%. And we have winning to losing trade 1 to 4. That's much better. What did I make? I add super trend. I completely delete all the shorts because it's okay to have one strategy for shorts and one strategy for longs. Nature of fear and greed is different. We fall in much faster than we are growing. I add trading only in New York session. Also add pyramiding to 5 orders to make strategy make more. Because without pyramiding there is much less profitable trades. You have only 34 trades and this pretty small amount of trades for 2 years of backtesting. So I make a little final for you, summarize everything. First, Lux Algo AI, it's a librarian in a giant library of strategies. It can't customize its own strategies. It's a big combination of existing tools, most of which is free. You can use it free, but they made it very comfortable to use with their connectors and backtesters. This is really useful tool that can make you pay for it. Pros of this AI: easy finding a strategy which is matching market behavior and very suits instrument flow. It's very time saving. This is the biggest pro for me for this AI. Also, I want to say it's have very useful documentation AI which helps to figure out how to make these strategies work and how to use full ultimate bundle for you. This is very good. I enjoyed a lot their AI which is in docs. Now I want to talk about cons. It's not flawless. Strategies is mostly raw and they need to be optimized for your needs. It's not fits everyone. It doesn't have pre-built stop losses in strategies. I don't like this type of strategy. I want to see my stop loss. It have to be figured out. I can make it manually, but automatically it not there is not strategies with predefined stop losses in this library. I think if it will have, it will be very good. It's only 3 time frames: 5, 15, and 1 hour. That's pretty enough for most use cases, but maybe 1 day. 1 day is perfect, I think, or at least 12 hours. It's perfect time frame for algorithmic trading, for swing trading, etc. Okay, you can't make pauses between trades easy way. You can't make pauses after stop losses. Yes. No, you can't. It doesn't have easy prop firm rules adaptation, so you can't close this trades in the end of the day. You can't implement some rules. Also, intraday strategies, they not set it up for a particular sessions. Trading style in New York session and trading style in London session is heaven and hell, you know, it's absolutely different. You have to understand some beginner level of coding to script strategies for fitting your needs. And you should have TradingView premium subscription to use it. I want to say for who this ultimate will be good. This bundle will good for guys who don't want to learn Pine script. These have enough instruments to make strategies work for any style of trade, literally any. Instruments are pretty sophisticated. I wanted to add it to cons because for me it's a little bit too sophisticated. But also I want to say it like a pro because you can use simple strategies. You can implement your moving averages or something which is simple and straightforward working like hammer. This for traders who are good in analytics but bad executors. This is about algorithmic trading in general. And this is for traders out of New York session time zone. Because for a lot of swing traders, you want to trade New York time zone because I think 70% of really good swings begins in New York time zone. And If you live in, like me, for example, in Asia or in different time zones, to the time when the big moves are start, you will be already exhausted by the day. You maybe have even some stop losses trying to execute at the London session or in the Asian session. You have to understand these conceptions. For who is better to return their ultimate? If you're not professional trader and don't want to make it your job, this probably just waste your capital. This is about trading in general, by the way. If you don't want to make it your job, don't even try. You will waste your money. I promise you, with any strategy. And if you don't have at least $5,000 to make it profitable, why? Because you have to pay subscription, you have to pay TradingView subscription, you have to pay third party which will make your TradingView strategies work. Send it to your exchange, send it to Forex, send it to your broker to make it work. So you will have like monthly payments like for $200 at least for these three parts. So you need some capital just to make money. Thank you. I was very excited to make this video for you. Please subscribe, press like. I want to make a course. It will be a Wyckoff course in English, which is adapted for algorithmic trading. When to use one strategist, when to use other strategies, how to understand market, how to trend, how to trade range-bounded markets, how to choose instruments. So stay tuned. There will be a lot of good content for. Bye bye. Thank you for your time.